ni Sir Nico para ibigay ang ating Nico's Choice Award. And guess one thing?
What?
Napaka-generous si Sir Nico kasi hindi lang isa.
Bakit?
8 ang winners na pinili niya.
Yes.
Palamakan lang natin Sir Nico, everyone.
Kasi walo, I swear to it. Ibig sabihin ng A is infinite. Ibig sabihin, wala na share mo na. Sorry.
Our first two winner is number 1 and number 3, Claire Fabian and John Mario Lili. 1 and 3, Claire Fabian and John Mario Lili.
Ito si Sir Nico B. Make sure lang after